Once I reach into my record box, it comes down and classic.
No matter